Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the serial number of your Samsung TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have warranty on your TV, or you simply just want to find your serial number to provide to a new tech. Now, in order to do this, you're going to grab your Samsung TV remote, and then you're going to go to where it says settings. So from the settings tab, you're going to scroll down to where it says support. And then from here, you're going to scroll down to where it says About the TV. So click on About TV. And then from here, you're going to see some blurred information, but this is where you're going to see your product information, which includes your model code, your serial number, your device ID, your software version, and your status code. Now, in addition to finding your serial number on your TV, let's say that your TV is broken, how else can you find your serial number? Now, often with TV models, you can find the model and serial number on the back of the TV. And so this comes extremely handy in case your TV no longer turns on. So for older models, the model and serial number may be on the back of the TV. But for newer models, the model and serial number may be on the back of the TV in addition to finding it within the actual TV display as well. So it's usually on the right hand side of the TV where you might find that sticker. But if your TV is hanging and it still works, then this is still a really good way to find the serial number of your Samsung TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the serial number of your Samsung TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.